I started my real journey in 2015 because I knew I needed to do something to understand more about myself, who I was, and what they looked like for my kids. Our marae here was where te reo was spoken. This was probably the only space in my childhood that te reo was spoken. The impacts that had on me in my childhood, being taught the history through a Pākehā lens basically, drove me to a point where I chose not to want to be Māori, through that kōrero that I was given through the teachers at the time. And my plan is, to certainly speak here on behalf of our whānau in the whai kōrero space. I know I've got a lot to learn, but while doing it I need to take my tamariki on that same journey